time. Our camper is up there, and we walked all the way down this little reclusive trail to get to this beautiful little river flowing under the crane bridge. Bugs are freaking out. Well, they both are, because they don't like being this close to water. Don't worry, guys, we got you. We got you. Bug is having a fit. This is like the only thing besides dogs that Bug is afraid of. This is normal for Dom. Like, he's afraid of everything. It's a beautiful patch of wilderness in the middle of a highway on the way to Great Falls, Montana. If you guys ever come near this place, it's just off I-15 near Craig, Montana. Yeah. Before we came down here, there were some deer at the creek or river. I'm not sure. Oh, it scared me away. Sorry, guys.
Accidentally.
Well,
Bye.
thanks for watching.